heard Jesus call.
Down the Sawdust Trail to the old camp meeting where the sinners cry rang with travail. How the fire did fall when my prayer reached heaven at the old camp meeting down the Sawdust Trail.
I saw my dear old broken-hearted mother on her knees with her head bowed low in prayer. It was for me that she was praying, praying that I would find Jesus there.
Down the Sawdust Trail to the old camp meeting where the sinners cry rang with travail. How the fire did fall when my prayer reached heaven at the old camp meeting down the Sawdust Trail. How the fire did fall when my prayer reached heaven